Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make whipped cream at home. It's not a hard job, and what I'm going to do is I have 2 teaspoons of vanilla here. I have a 1/4 cup of confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar, what it's called, and I have heavy whipping cream. I'm going to get that out of the refrigerator. I don't want to take it out yet because you want it to be very cold. Now, the mixing bowl that I have is a stainless steel mixing bowl, and it's been in the freezer for since this morning. And when you plan on making your whipped cream, have your bowl as cold as possible. That's why I store it in the freezer. Now what I'm going to do first is I'll get out the whipping cream first, and I'll measure that out. I have that in there. Now some people also, if you want to make it super cold, you put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes before you're ready to make this, from the refrigerator in there. Now I'm going to do 2 cups of that, which is 1 pint of heavy whipping cream. Okay, there it is. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to our big freezer here, and I'm going to get out our bowl that's been in there. It's very, very cold. Now, what I'll do is I can pour in the 2 cups in there. I pour in the 1/4 cup of confectioner's sugar or powdered sugar and the vanilla. Now what I'll do is I take now you can do this by hand. I have made this by hand, but it's a lot easier using a machine like this. And we put on the whisking attachment.
I didn't plug it in yet.
I told you to plug it in.
It's right there.
So anyway, I put that in, and what we do is we put this up to a high speed. 8. Well, even 10. So after it's been whipped, you look at the consistency. It's not so much the time, it's the consistency. You want it to be firm. Now, you don't want it to turn into butter either. So what we do is I'm going to show you the consistency of how it looks like, and you can tell. Look at that. That's how you want it. Nice and thick. And that's how to make your homemade whipping cream. Please continue to follow me along on the journey. Anyway, that's how you do it. Have a good day, everyone.